Ahoy, mateys! It be griddling time. What do you say we grill up some shrimp? Can you see it? Huh? I'm ready for shrimp. Let's do some shrimp. Shrimp and butter are like best friends. So ghee and shrimp are even better friends. I got this on medium low, but it's a hot evening, so it's a hot griddle. Sometimes the griddle just has a mind of its own, despite my best efforts to control it. It does what it wants. Oh. Old Bay seasoning is also shrimp's other best friend after butter. Shrimp love Old Bay. These are cooking up quick. So, my salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash mix will add a little bit. Won't have to add much. And just for a little something, orange peel. Give it a little bit of tartness. Gonna have to get some lemon lime peel, I think. But this will do in the meantime. Right. So, like I said, they're cooking quick. We've got some red beans and rice that are left over that are going to be accompanying the shrimp that we're just warming up in the microwave. I cooked them on the griddle and they came out really good. And close. Okay, that doesn't want to close. What else? I think that's it, don't you? I think that'll be plenty. Yum. So at long last, the sun has appeared. It's been buried by the smoke from the western fires for a while. It's still hazy, as you can see, but it's less hazy than it's been in a week, which is good in one way, but temperature increases come along with it. So you see they're getting more curly, they're getting more pinky, they're losing the opaqueness. Like, see him? He says, I'm done, I give up. And I think the rest of these guys are ready too. So, that's it. Quick and easy shrimp. With a little extra ghee. That's it for today. Baha, do you have anything to add? No, she doesn't have anything to add. She's looking for scraps. Anyway, wasn't that quick and easy? Aren't you glad you watched? I'm sure glad you watched. Thanks for coming along, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!